Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 different ways you can prep your braid extension. Okay, first I would love to thank each and every one of you for your massive support. Thank you for the subscriptions, thank you for the like, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much, I'm really grateful. Yeah, before prepping, I have to divide the braid extension into the length you love to work with. Like for me in this video, I'm working with cut 3. So what you do is basically you fold your attachment into 3, then you cut. But before you fold, make sure you loosen it, okay? Make sure you loosen it, straight it out, or don't cut while it's still braided together, just like the way it was on the pack. And I'll be working with color 30 and 33. The first one, I call it the shuffling method. Okay, in this video, you see the one I'm just shuffling the attachment as if I'm mixing it up. If you watch closely, you'll notice that when I take the attachment, instead of returning it exactly the way I took it, I kind of flip it over. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Just watch closely, you see what I'm doing there, so I don't end up confusing you with my explanation. That flipping is really necessary, yeah, because when you take and put it back exactly the way you took it, you're not making any difference. But when you flip it, you notice that, should I say, at the tips, the attachment is no longer as in equal like it was when you cut it. So when you keep doing this, you notice that the braid extension is no longer blunt again like it was when you first cut it. I love this method of prepping because it makes my work very fast. I don't have to bother about the extension getting tangled in the process. Everything is coming out so smooth, and brushing it, or should I say combing it, is quite stress-free. In this second method, all you have to do is just to hold your braid extension at both ends, then you pull at the same time. While using this method, I love to do it in batches. Then at the end, I join everything together and comb. Another thing you'll notice here is when you pull for the first time, you won't be able to get what you desire. Yes, so you have to go in a couple of times in order to achieve your aim. This method is also very fast, but I myself, I don't usually like using it. So tell me in the comment section if you prefer this method to the first, okay? After you've gotten close to what you want and you're still noticing some blunt cuts here and there, you can just go in with your hand and pull it. And the third method is the popular one that most people use. Some people refer this as pick and pull or pick and stretch. They are all the same thing. So if you watch closely, you see what I'm doing. I just pick and pull the extension one after the other. It's just as if you're counting 1, 2, 3. Okay, just you pick, you draw it out, pick, draw it out, pick, draw it out. That's basically what you'll be doing. While doing this, don't hold your extension too tight, okay? While pulling from one side, you notice that the other side of the extension is getting rough. All you have to do is to finger comb it once in a while to straighten it out. Doing this will prevent your extension from getting too rough before you're done with the process. When you're done, you finger comb all together. Then you start separating it bit by bit to further loosen any knots or tangle that might have occurred during the prepping. So if you have watched up to this extent and you're finding this video helpful, please kindly give the video a thumbs up, okay? So it will be recommended to more people. If you're coming across my channel for the first time and you've been seeing my videos and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do so, okay? I really appreciate that. And all you my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, okay? I'm really grateful. You guys are my G. Yeah, you see how this looks even before I comb it. Have you also noticed that I usually comb from the tips, then I work my way up? Yeah, that too was intentional. This will further prevent the extension from tangling, and it will also prevent you from wasting your extension. At the end, you'll notice that we achieved the same result. So do well to tell me which of the method you prefer in the comment section, okay? And also tell me if you'll be trying out any of the new method you learned today. Okay, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Ciao.